If you want to save emails, articles, notes, or attachments directly into Evernote without copying and pasting everything manually, this quick tutorial is going to save you a lot of time. Today, I'm showing you how to email content directly to Evernote and how to organize it properly using the subject lines so your notes land exactly where you want them. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tips just like this. First, you need to find your unique Evernote email address. This is the special address Evernote gives your account so you can send content straight into your notes. On the web or desktop version of Evernote, click your profile name in the top left corner, then select Account Info. Once you're inside Account Settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Email Notes To. This is where your private Evernote email address appears. Copy that address carefully, because this is the one you'll use anytime you want to send something into Evernote. A really smart next step is to save that address as a contact. You can store it in your phone contacts or in your email contacts, and name it something simple like Evernote. That way, when you need it later, you don't have to go searching through settings again. Saving it as a contact makes the whole process much faster, especially if you plan to email notes to Evernote often. Now open your preferred email app. That could be Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, or any other email client you normally use. Start a new email, or if you already have a message you want to archive, you can forward that email instead. In the To field, paste your Evernote email address. This is what tells the system where to send the note. From here, you can type or paste the content you want to save. You might be sending meeting notes, a recipe, a web clipping, a reminder, or an important conversation you want to keep for later. If the email has attachments, those will usually be included too, which is great if you want to store files alongside your note. This makes Evernote really useful as a quick capture tool. Now, here's the part that gives you more control. You can organize the note right from the subject line before you send it. This is optional, but it's extremely helpful if you want your notes sorted automatically inside Evernote. If you want the note to go into a specific notebook, add the @ symbol followed by the notebook name. For example, you could write meeting notes at work. That tells Evernote to place the note into your work notebook. If you want to add tags, use the hashtag symbol followed by the tag name. For example, you could write meeting notes number urgent. That adds the tag to your note so it's easier to search and organize later. You can combine notebook and tag instructions in the same subject line if needed, which makes this a powerful workflow for busy people who want everything filed correctly the moment it arrives. Once your subject line and content are ready, all you have to do is hit send. After a short syncing delay, the email content will appear in your Evernote account as a note. If you included attachments, they should come through as well. This is one of the easiest ways to capture information fast without opening the Evernote app and creating a note manually every time. If you use Evernote regularly, this method can become part of your daily workflow. You can forward receipts, save important messages, store ideas from your inbox, and keep project info organized with almost no effort. It's especially useful for people who work across multiple devices and want one central place to collect everything. So to recap, find your Evernote email address, save it as a contact, compose or forward your email, use @ for notebooks, and hashtag for tags if you want to organize it, and then send it. That's all it takes to email content directly to Evernote. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.